It is genuinely baffling to me how Papyrus from Undertale manages to, in the game, mess up spaghetti so badly on a consistent basis. Like, the game literally, I'm pretty sure at some point says it looks inedible and, like, describes it, like, horrendously. How do you mess it up that badly? All you have to do is put it in a pot of boiling water and set a timer. I don't know what he is doing to mess it up like that, but honestly, it's genuinely impressive. Spaghetti is one of my comfort foods, so I make it pretty frequently. Like, it's one of the easiest foods you could possibly cook.